Here are some definitions of software. You can choose any one definition. The PDF file is available in Midas. You can get PDF file from there. Right now, just I'm sharing a screen to explain you. Got it? The software is the collection of programs, procedures, instructions that performs some task on a computer. Means software helps computer to perform task. For example, operating system help computer to be ready to work, isn't it? When we press the power button of the computer, then it takes some time to be ready. That time is taken by operating system to make computer ready to work for users. We people are user, isn't it? We use computer. We people are user. So operating system makes computer ready for users. That is the task of operating system. Similarly, Microsoft Word allows us to create document. So software help computer to perform a task because computer cannot work by itself. Next definition is software is often used to describe all the functional aspects of a computer that do not refer to its physical component, means hardware. It is a little bit difficult definition for you. So you can choose any simple, easy definitions for your remembering, okay? It tells us the computer how to work. So software tell computer how to work in different steps. So third one, it enables the computer to perform a specific task as opposed to the physical components of the computer. Means it guides hardware as well. There are varieties of software which guides hardware as well. We deal it in the type of software, okay? For now, just remember, software is set of instruction or program which makes computer do a specific task. Like operating system makes computer ready to work. Microsoft Word helps to create a document to the user. Similarly, in these ways, software help computer to perform a task. Excuse me. Now we are moving to another part. That is the examples of software. This is Microsoft Word. This is Microsoft Excel. This is PowerPoint. This one, Google Chrome, the browser. This one, Windows 10 operating system. This one, Linux, another operating system. Mac OS, another operating system of MacBook, Apple computers. VLC media player to play song and videos. Now, next one. What is computer hardware? Okay. Sound is a little bit irritating, but now these are the three different definitions of hardware. The basic definition of hardware is the physical. Hardwares are the physical part of computer. The basic definition is that one. But there are so many definitions. Let us have a look on the definition. Computer hardware is the collection of physical parts of a computer system that includes the computer case, monitor, keyboard, and mouse. There are other hardware also, not and mouse, okay? Computer hardware is what we can physically touch. All the parts of computer are known as hardware. And those hardware parts we can touch. Software we can see, but hardware we can touch. Some of the hardwares are inside the casing box. The box where all the parts are kept inside, which in short we call it as CPU box. Actually, that is not CPU box. CPU is a small chip inside that box. The outer box is known as casing. That the outer box is known as casing. In case of desktop computers, correct? Nowadays we use mobile phone, that is also computers. Smartphones, that is also computer, correct? Desktop computer which we keep on table, monitor separate, CPU separate, that is also computer. Laptop, that is also computer. And smartphones are also computer. Tabloids, iPads are also computer, correct? So all different type of computer has got different type of hardware, and at the same time different type of computer uses different type of software also, correct? Okay, now second definition: the physical component of a computer such as the machine and wiring or tools and machinery or heavy military equipment is also called computer hardware, correct? This is another definition. It is not hard and fast that you have to remember all these definitions. Just keep in your mind about the concept of hardware. That hardware is the physical part of the computer. When we join all the hardware parts, then computer needs software to be operated, software and electricity to be operated. Are you getting me? Are you understanding what I said? Okay, very good. If no, then you can say post your message on Midas portal. Okay. Now, third definition: computer hardware is the physical component that a computer system requires to function. It is connected with a circuit board that operates within a PC or laptop. PC means desktop computers, personal computer, which are known as personal computer. Actually, laptop is also PC, because a computer which can be used by only one person at a time is known as PC, correct? Laptop, desktop computer, mobiles, tabloids, all these are PCs, okay? Including the motherboard, graphic card, CPU, ventilation fan, webcam, power supply, and so on. That means all small and bigger parts of the computer is known as hardware. Now let us move ahead. Somebody has sent me message. Let me check the message first. Ma'am, I can't see. Oh, those who cannot see, please listen to me carefully right now. Might be your internet connection is slow, so you cannot open it. Later on, see this presentation file, PDF file in Midas portal. Okay. If you will not be able to open Midas portal at that time, send message in Midas portal. If you will not be able to open file in the Midas portal, then send message in Midas portal. I'm recording this class, then I will upload this recording in the Midas portal. Okay.